Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to change the background of your home page on Google Chrome. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here on Google Chrome. I want to change this background over here. Now to change this, on the bottom right you can see here is pencil icon. Just click on this and now here is appearance. You can see this is the appearance which is over here. If I want to change this, I'll go with this change theme and now we can select anyone from here. Now I'll select this or I'll click on this and over here you can find multiple options. I'll click on this one and you can see it's instantly changed. We can go with anyone from here. I'll select this one. And you can see it's instantly changed. So in this way we can change homepage background of Google Chrome. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.